Daniel?
Hi.
What the hell are you doing?
Nothing.
What's that noise? What's that noise? What's that hand? She knows. Oh my God, Daniel, what the hell are you doing? This is my best friend. This is Tim right here.
Stop. No.
Daniel, I really don't think I could. No. Come on. Oh God, this isn't gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna have to get you.
No, stop. That's not what cactus behave like. You know, cactus in kindergarten. When cactus
What the hell are you doing? Come on. Oh my God.
Oh, I thought you were going to say, hey. La 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 la.
Yeah. Come on, get off.
No.
She can't die. She's my hamster. She can't die. She's my pet. If another pet dies.
You're going to flush me down the toilet.
I know. That would be so hard.
Flush hamsters down the toilet. Oh, it's fun. You're a raccoon.
What's up play off here?
It's like I'm a big dog. And Maria.
Yes, Maria.
And Maria.
Yes.
It's like I'm a big dog. Push off the bed. Yeah, push off the bed right here.
Come here.
We're flushing you down the toilet. You died. We're flushing you down the toilet.
Come here.
Come on. I'm going to fart on you.
That's it. That's it. We're just done.
We're not your friends anymore. When were you?
Oh,
you're trying to suffocate me. Shush. Wait, can I see my camera back? Watch the video. Is that what cactus behave like? Cactus?